Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video, and in this video we will go from our hotel to the next hotel using the real Filipino bus. We will dive in the ocean where I saw the first whale shark I've ever seen all alone. Enjoy the video. We arrived at the new hotel and you can just walk into the sea right here and snorkel in this beautiful area right here. Wow, it looks really great. You probably have a room upstairs. But before we continue with this journey, I will show you how we get to the hotel, because this was an adventure at its own. And we're on the bus. I took one bite and the bus arrived, so I was very lucky. And it costed $137 per person to go to Batu. We are in the bus right now, going to Oslob, the second bus. It cost 100 pesos for the both of us to go to Oslob from Batu, and that's around 30-minute bus ride, so that's €1.50, so it's really cheap to travel with the bus here. Okay, let's get back to the hotel. Cheers, mate. Lunch with a view on the beautiful sea. We got the key to our new place and it looks really good.
You have to look over here. People
Oh, what
are
up?
Singing. People are singing.
This is the room.
Wait. You have to film this first. There are
What's
people
up?
walking and singing. I don't know why, over there.
Oh, cool.
It looks like it's a church.
This is the bathroom. Looks really great. It's a nice hotel room. And now we are going to swim. I don't want to burn in the sun, so I'm fully protected right now. Don't burn. Alright, we are in the water and this water is much warmer. It's really nice here. And we have a beautiful view, but there's a lot of seaweed. There are some very warm currents. Over here it is really warm, but it's really hard to see. These kids over there were playing with a basketball around the corner there, and suddenly I saw the basketball driving around here, so, and these kids were looking, so I was gonna grab the basketball and I brought it back to the kids, and these kids were very happy, so good karma today. And we heard that around 5 p.m. there will be a lot, or at least some, turtles over here. So we're gonna chill right now, edit some shorts and videos for you guys, and then we're gonna go into the sea at 4 or 5-ish, and hopefully we see some more turtles, because yesterday we saw a few turtles, but there were also a lot of people, so hopefully we will see the turtles again today. But as you can see, there's nobody here. It is 4:30 now, and now we're going to swim in the sea again, and hopefully we will see some turtles. It is a little bit more windy right now. I think I turned on my pants on the wrong way. Whoops. Right, we'll wait 10 more minutes and then we will hop on, hopefully through here, because I don't want to shame myself with all these people here. Then I went in alone for the second time, and everything was cool until I saw a huge animal. It was fully black with white dots. I was swimming around there, I think, and suddenly I saw something really big. It must have been a shark. It scared the hell out of me, so I swam back as fast as I could. And you saw the fin, right?
Yeah. I saw a fin
You saw a fin too?
above the water.
Oh my god. Now I'm afraid. But there are a lot of turtles as well, but I'm afraid to go in now. I'm gonna get my drone. Let's see if we can spot something. Okay, I googled a little bit and I saw the pictures of the whale sharks, and I really believe that I saw one, but the water is a little bit unclear, and it was really big, and I saw especially black and white dots, so it must be a whale shark, right? It was very scary. But tomorrow we are going to swim with them. So we are going to wake up at 4 a.m. this morning, and we are getting picked up at 4:30. So make sure to subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.